Hello everyone, it's Shubham Sonwatkat from Department of Electrical and Electronics, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today we are going to learn the lecture number 7 on Unit 1. That is, we are going to study in this lecture the schematic diagram of thermal power plant in detail. This is the general layout of thermal power plant or schematic diagram of thermal power plant. Okay. So you must know what is meant by thermal power plant. The power plant in which the heat or the thermal energy is converted into electrical energy is called as thermal power plant. Okay, how the heat is generated here? In this plant, the main source is coal. Okay, coal is a main source. So by using coal, we are generating the heat, and that heat is converted into electricity. You can see this boiler. The boiler consists of water. In this boiler, the heat is generated, and because of that heat, steam will produced in this boiler. Okay, in this boiler, the coal combustion, we are burning the coal. In thermal plant, we have to burn the coal to generate the heat, and that process, the burning of coal, that process is done in this boiler. In boiler, we are burning the coal and generating the heat, and this boiler consists of water. Okay, what it consists of water, and because of that heat, that water will get converted into steam, and that steam is passed through the turbine. Okay, that steam is passed through this turbine. Whenever the steam passed through the turbine starts rotating because of the high pressure of the steam. Okay, when that turbine starts rotating, that turbine is connected to alternators. So as the turbine starts rotating, alternator will also start rotating, and that alternator will convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy, and in this way we will get the electricity. Very simple it is. Okay, now the discharged steam will come here in the condenser. That condenser will convert that steam again into water. Okay, and that water again is fed back to the boiler using this pump, condensing water pump. Okay, again that water is fed back to the boiler through economizer. Can you see this? This is the boiler. Through this boiler, this is condenser. Whatever the steam come from turbine enters into condenser. That condenser will convert that steam into water, and that water is given to the boiler once again using this pump, using this condensed water pump, and again that water will get heated and converted into steam, and again that steam is passed through this turbine, and again turbine will rotate and generate the electricity using alternator. This cycle will continue. Okay, this is called Rankine cycle. This will continue and we will get the electricity. I will repeat in short, in brief. Okay, boiler in which we are burning the fuel, we are burning the coal we are using coal as a fuel here. In boiler, it consists of what? Water. If we burn the coal in boiler, heat is generated, and the water boiler will consist of water. So as we goes on heating the water, steam will produce. Okay, boiler is having water. Okay, so if we burn the coal in the boiler, the heat is generated, and because of this heat, that water which the boiler will carry, that water will get converted into steam. That steam will come here it will pass through the turbine, and because of the pressure of the steam, high pressure of the steam and high temperature of the steam, turbine rotates, and it will convert as the turbine rotates, alternator will also start rotates, and it will give the electricity. Next, the discharged steam will come here in the condenser. Condenser will convert that steam into water. That water again is fed back to this boiler using this water pump, condensed water pump, and again the cycle will continue. Okay, this is the working of thermal power plant. I will stop here. Thank you for watching my video.